To DJH Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this lovely looking Nissan Qashqai, top specification. It's got front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels. As you can see, the bodywork's in lovely condition, wheels in lovely condition. Rear park distance control, does have a reverse camera as well. Boot area is in lovely condition with the parcel shelf. Half leather interior, full panoramic roof, electric windows, electric mirrors, Bose stereo, electric seats. This car does not look or drive like it's mileage. It's in fantastic condition. Done 101,614 miles. Just start the car up. So you've got satellite navigation, reverse camera, 360 camera, climate control, that's all nice and cold, 6-speed gearbox, heated seat, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, USB. Really is in lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.